Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Putri Pravitri and my friend.
My name is Faizza Rismanda Putri.
We will presentation the dialogue about job information.
Hi Putri, good afternoon.
Hi Faizza, good afternoon. Long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too.
Put, I'm confused.
What's the matter? Anything I can do to help?
I want you to help me find a job.
What's wrong with your old job?
I'm not comfortable with my old job.
It just so happened that my workplace is hiring.
Well, that's good idea. I'll give it a try.
Okay, I'll give you my work address and you can pay her a visit directly.
Okay, thanks for your information, Put.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Putri, where are you? Hey,
Hi,
what's wrong?
I got a job. I forgot to tell you.
Thanks, God. What about your new job?
I'm very comfortable and enjoying with my new job.
I'm glad to hear it. By the way, how it works?
The system works from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Same with me. I heard that there is a meeting tomorrow. That you know about?
Yes, I know that. I'm prepared for that. How about you?
I've prepared it. I have presenting accessories and skincare product. How about you?
I'm presenting Muslim clothing and hijab.
It's so nice. Good luck for our presentation.
Okay, good luck
Thank
for
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Faizza.
Hi, Put.
How about your presentation? Did it go well?
Thanks, good. Yeah, despite a little obstacles,
I have an acceptable product.
it's okay. You try.
Yeah. Do all your recommendation product go through?
Yeah, my product fit a criteria.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How about celebrity success?
That's good idea. When we celebrate?
I think, how about tonight?
I'm sorry, but I cannot. I have a plan with my friend tonight.
It's okay. How about tomorrow?
Inshallah, I'll try.
Okay, see you later.
See you.
See you, bye.
Bye.